Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Lean with Lauren. I'm Lauren, and on this channel we make plant-based recipes that are delicious and nutritious. Today we are making vegan macaroni chili. It's so good and we're actually meal prepping it for the week. I love this recipe, especially as a dish to meal prep because it's just so well balanced with grains, veggies, and protein. Not to mention, it's also super delicious. So here are the ingredients you're going to need. 2 cups of dry whole wheat macaroni, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 medium carrots, 1 red bell pepper, 1 jalapeno, 1 can of diced tomatoes, tomato paste, 1 vegetable bouillon cube, chili powder, paprika powder, 1 can of cooked red kidney beans, a plant-based ground beef, I like to use Gardein, and some fresh spinach. First, we're going to cook the macaroni according to the package directions, but we're going to decrease the cooking time by a couple minutes. While the pasta is cooking and or after you've drained your pasta, we can start cutting all of our veggies. Here we're chopping up our beautiful red bell pepper. I just like to chop it into small chunks. Adding a jalapeno is totally optional, but I like to chop one up to give it a little kick. We're chopping our onion the same way we did our red bell pepper into small chunks. We're also going to finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Grab a peeler and we're going to peel our 2 medium carrots as well as chop them. So first we're throwing in the onions and the garlic with some vegetable oil. On medium-high heat, saute the onions and garlic until the onions are soft, so about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, we're going to add the can of diced tomatoes and about half a can of water as well. 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, the vegetable bouillon cube, and 2 tablespoons of the tomato paste. Add the kidney beans, the carrots, the red bell pepper, and 1.5 cups of the vegan ground beef. This right here is where I realized my pot was too small and I switched it out. Once everything is well mixed and still boiling, we'll add our drained macaroni noodles as well as 3 cups of fresh spinach and cook until the spinach wilts and the pasta is al dente. And voila, we're done. All that's left to do is go ahead and meal prep. I like to divide this dish into 4 containers and garnish with a little bit of jalapeno. Another great thing to garnish this dish with is avocado, and I also enjoy adding some hot sauce. So that should give you a few ideas to really spice this up. Close your airtight containers and just store in the fridge. Now you're set with a delicious meal all week long. For more recipe videos, you can check out my website, leanwithlauren.com, and we'll see you guys on the next one.